Pure Epsom salt and finely granulated pumice stone gently exfoliate and thoroughly cleanse. Vitamin E and aloe vera helps moisturize and soften hands. Aromatherapeutic eucalyptus spearmint essential oils help restore and rejuvenate the mind. Never tested on animals. Made in the USA. Dr. Teal's Eucalyptus Spearmint Moisturizing Hand Soap is formulated with vitamin E and aloe vera to soften hands, while Pure Epsom salt and finely granulated pumice stone gently exfoliate and thoroughly cleanse. Aromatherapeutic Eucalyptus Spearmint essential oils help restore and rejuvenate the mind. Top reviews from the United States. Soft hands. I love this soap. It's the only soap that I've found that doesn't dry out my hands. I wash my hands regularly and very vigorously and always get cracks on my knuckles. After using this soap, my hands feel softer thanks to the exfoliants. I like all of the scents, I've bought them all, and the coconut and rose scents are my favorite. I purchase them regularly.